So no more shaky cam. I went ahead and bought a gimbal, and so far it's pretty dope. I pretty much got the best one you can get on Amazon. I am still learning with it, but I mean, it's pretty dope. I mean, it's got tons of different settings for like smoother filming and shit. I mean, you can do all kinds of stuff. It's dope. I mean, getting it to act like perfectly right can be a little annoying. But for the most part, it's like on point. But yeah. And we're about to unload the wrecked GS, take the JZ, Jesus Christ, out of it. Got a guy that's wanting to come get it. He was like $400. I was like, bet, send it. So we're about to get it done. I mean, I think it films really good. Ooh, hit him with them angles. Gotta keep your med kits. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. Pretty much sew a person back together. Oh, this thing's dope though. No more feedback from me holding my camera. I mean, I can probably get a lot of smooth shots in with this. Some banger shots even. Sometimes the camera kind of like locks on, does its own thing. Like right now it's being weird. I flipped it. So I gotta get the flip back. It doesn't want to. Yeah, didn't like that, but it's probably just because I'm using it wrong. Man, everything looks really good. And it has a little post, so I can set it up and go do other stuff. You know, I can set it up on my toolbox and do shit. It's pretty chill. But you know, I really like it. I'll do some more shots with it here in a little bit. Alright, so I'm about to pull the JZ out of the GS, the Rex GS. And I got a guy coming to get it tomorrow, so I'm about to start on it. It's It's dirty, but it turns over. It's all there. So that's all that matters. Yeah. About to get it out. I'm gonna go get me some gas station tacos because I'm addicted to gas station food.